to start.
TMC leader Dr. Mukul Sangma said that it is an indication that there is an attempt on the part of the NPP-led MDA government to run away from its responsibility by not extending the timing of the sitting of the House. Reacting to the decision of the Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma to adjourn the sitting of the House here on Friday, Sangma said that the whole indication is reflective of their tendency to run away from the responsibility of being accountable. According to him, this is not a session for the passing of a vote on account. It is a session to pass the full budget.
Please remember that this session is not a budget for vote on account. It is a full budget session for passing a full budget. Therefore, enough discussion and deliberation to instill in the mind of the people of the state the confidence. Accountability to legislature means accountability to people. So along with the power and authority comes a responsibility. Therefore, it is only reflective of their predetermined intent to run away from the sense of responsibility and accountability.